So what you guys do is what we were looking for. So yeah, that's the reason we came. It's the first place we've been.
Dropshipping is absolutely the way forward for those that want to start online and do not have the capital to do it. Now they can go out there and do something amazing, and I've never seen a platform like this that's going to help them do it so easily.
When I've looked at different apps and different plugins, none of them really help me try to achieve what I tried to achieve until I come across the Avasam stall today.
I don't want to be buying in shipping from international, shipping to international. The whole thing becomes very messy and uncontrollable. So you guys offer UK.
I think it's different from other platforms really because of the lead time. That's the thing that really appeals. I don't want customers to have a massive wait for products that they order.
And I think I might have found the solution to my business to take it to the next level.